In this video, I'll show you how to contact Mailchimp support directly so you can quickly get help with technical issues, billing or campaign questions. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. On the top right corner, you'll see a help button. Click on it. This opens the support center. From here, scroll down and select Contact Us. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more quick tech tutorials. Now, choose the issue you're facing and type in a clear description. The more detailed you are, the faster you'll get help. Once that's done, click Continue. You'll then see a form pop up. Fill in your account details and the nature of your request. Then hit Submit. Mailchimp support team will review it and get back to you, usually via email. So keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully reached Mailchimp support. Simple, fast and effective.